Hey, what's up producers? Are you struggling to nail that perfect bass sound? Today you will unlock a secret to bass mastery and take your productions to the next level. You'll see how to create a nerve-shattering techno rumble that will shake the very foundations of your tracks with just 4 Maschine effects: reverb, distortion, filter, and compressor. So say goodbye to frustration and hello to bass perfection as I guide you through the art of crafting a deep and powerful bass that will leave your listeners craving for more. Now let's check out this rumble. It's a powerful groove, and once you have that, you're like, cool, now I have this awesome low end power and I can move on to other elements like synth or percussions. Now let's break down the process. Start with the kick sample envelope. Slow attack around 100 milliseconds, fast decay around 55 milliseconds. Now add a reverb to the kick sample. Mode, room, reverb time, 1 second, diffusion, 20%, mix, 100%, and nothing else to do for now, but we'll get back to the reverb later. Add the distortion effect. Mode, Mulholland, drive, 80%, cutter, around 45%, feedback, 0%, tone, 50%, and mix, 50%. Then add a filter. Mode, low pass, and cut off, just under 200 Hz. Now you want your rumble to duck out of the way when the kick hits, and you need sidechain compression for that. So add a compressor, and in the main tab, mode, classic, threshold, set it at -10 dB for now. You will have to tweak it later to get that pumping effect. Leave the attack set to 0.25 milliseconds and release 55 milliseconds. Bonus tip here, if you don't know how to time audio effects, go online and look for a tempo to milliseconds converter. And in the sidechain input tab, source, your main kick. Now let's go back to the reverb. The first thing you need to do is set the pre-delay to a 32 note. My tempo is 138 BPM, so 55 milliseconds. Play the audio with the room size set to 0 and slowly increase the value until you reach that sweet spot. It sounds great at 15%, and the last thing to do is decide how much pumping you want. So go back to the compressor, adjust the threshold to your liking. I started at -10 dB, and it's great like this. I just want to show you what will happen if you don't use sidechain compression. And you're done. That's how you get that perfect rumble bass with no extra plugin. Leave your questions and comments. In the next video, I will show you how to process your kick sub bass group, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy producing.